Who can forget Chandi, who is usually seen sporting disheveled hair, bright white khadi dress and 1000-watt smile, and walking through the front courtyard of Pudupalli Church, calm and composed. Chandi has been like that and will always be like that. October 31st is this veteran Congress leader's birthday, when he will turn 77. He has curtailed all birthday celebrations this time due to pandemic situations. This leader, fondly called Kunju Kunju, started his political career from his Pudupalli St. George High School as KSU unit president, and today he has reached the position of Congress Working Committee member. Looking back, one can see his unique imprint in the path he has traversed till date. When he entered the 50th year of his assembly life recently, we saw how this towering political personality continues to be Kerala's populist leader. Even at this age, he has the same spirit and mental strength he had years ago when he came out to contest the assembly election from Pudupalli constituency. Chandi, who was born on 31st October 1943 at Kumaragam in Kottayam district of Kerala, to K.O. Chandi and Baby Chandi, has reached this stage only because of his political perseverance. Perhaps he is the South Indian Congress leader to have mustered more support than A.K. Antony at national level. We saw the consummate leader in him when he was the Chief Minister of Kerala 2 times. When all were happily sleeping in the night, he and his office burned the midnight oil to ensure that the governance was smooth and flawless. His People's Contact program had won international attention, but some months ago, for a short gap, his voice was not to be heard in Kerala politics, as he had some problem with his vocal cords. And it was recently he was back in active politics. Chandi was one of the prominent leaders in the Antony faction that took shape in the state congress in the early 80s. He resigned from the cabinet challenging Karunakaran, the then chief minister, and later became Kerala chief minister 2 times. Thus goes his political saga. In 2001, when the government was formed under A.K. Antony, Chandi again became the UDF convener. 3 years later, taking the responsibility of massive election defeat, Antony stepped down as the chief minister. And on August 31st, 2004, Chandi took over as the chief minister. He continued as the chief minister till May. In the 2006 assembly election, following the defeat of the UDF, LDF under Achyutanandan came to power. From 2006 to 2011, Chandi had been the opposition leader. In the election that was held in April 2011, UDF again got the majority, and on May 18, 2011, he was appointed as the 21st Chief Minister of Kerala. Former Canara Bank officer and Alappuzha Karuvata native Mariamma is Chandi's wife. Mariam, Achu and Chandi are their children. News Desk, Kaumudy English.